Mae plant i ysgol ni yn gyffrous iawn am gael ysgol newydd sbon. Rydyn ni'n caru ein hen ysgol achos mae gan yr ysgol lot o hanes, ond rydyn ni angen ysgol newydd efo ystafelloedd, dosbarth ac toiledau gwell a mwy o lle i chwarae.
I'm delighted to be here today. I'm Peter Bricknell, Bishop of Wrexham, here in Bangor for this new beginning of the rebuilding of a new school on a site which has a history of providing education for the young people of Bangor. The Diocese of Wrexham is a working partner with Welsh Government and Cymru Gwynedd in the provision of faith education in and around North Wales. And we have waited long for this school with the opportunities that it provides, the environmental sensitivity and components with which it will be built, the use of local skills and training of new tradesmen, men and women for the building of the school. It's a wonderful opportunity for the whole of the community to provide that education and that beginning of sound foundation for the beginning of life for our young people.
Ysgol newydd, hooray!